Let me show you all of the sound settings on Samsung Galaxy A07. So first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to find the sound options. So they should be somewhere on the top right here. We have sound and vibrations. Now on the top, you'll be able to find the option that allows you to switch between different sound modes, like a sound, which enables all of the sounds on your phone. You can enable vibrate, which will mute all of the sounds but remain with vibrations. And there's also option to mute. This will mute everything. You won't feel vibrations as well. You can also activate temporarily mute, which will mute your phone only for a set amount of time that you can adjust right here. Then there's a ringtone. This allows you to change between different ringtone options that are preset on your phone, or you can add additional ones by clicking on this plus button. The plus button allows you to basically import your own sound files. Then there's notification sound, and here you can do the same thing, except the plus button is gone. If you want to use custom sounds, then I would recommend to watch my video on how to set custom notification sounds on this device. Here we also have system sounds. This allows you to adjust the system sounds volume first, then you can adjust which sounds should toggle, like touch interactions. This is the touch sounds. Dialing keypad, which enables sounds when you type in numbers. Samsung keyboard, which allows you to hear sounds when typing. Charging sounds when you begin charging your phone. Screen lock and unlock, which also speaks for itself. Next thing is volume. Here you'll find all of the volume sliders, so you can adjust volume for specific apps. And also, if we click on these three dots, we can go to media volume limit and apply different volume limit to our device. And that is all right here. We also have use volume buttons for media that you can enable or disable. Next thing is vibrations. You can adjust call vibrations and notifications vibrations. That basically changes the pattern for your vibrations on how they will feel like medium vibrations, waltz, zigzag, and etc. You can click on them to check them out. Then we have system vibrations, and it's the same like system sounds. You can adjust the vibration strength for your phone. You can enable vibration feedback, which is a touch vibrations, touch interactions, which is the touch interactions is the touch vibrations, sorry. Dialing keypad vibrations, Samsung keyboard vibrations, charging vibration, and navigation vibration. This applies only when you perform navigation moves like clicking on the navigation buttons or performing swipes in gesture navigations. Then we have vibration intensity. You can also adjust it right here. Then we have sound quality and effects. Now we can allow it, and if you're using something like a headphones, you'll be able to activate Dolby Atmos. You can also enable loudness normalization, which prevents sound from suddenly becoming too loud or too quiet while playing media. You can go for app sound settings, and then you will see all of the apps that will allow you to adjust them. And lastly, we have separate app sounds, and you can play media sound from one app on different audio device, which means basically if you have a speaker or headphones also connected to your phone, you'll be able to play one of the apps on your main speakers for this phone, and the other app, for example, on your headphones. And you can turn it on and choose the app right here and your audio device as well. So that is basically everything, all of the sound settings. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.